Hello everyone and welcome to How-FixIT. If you've replaced the screen on your iPhone, you'll need to calibrate the new screen to eliminate display errors like the important display message or unknown part notification. In this video guide, I'll show you how to calibrate your screen and ensure it's fully functional using the Repair Assistant. Start by going to Settings, selecting General, and then opening the About section. Look for a new section called Parts and Service History. If you don't see this section, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 15.2 or later. Tap Restart and Finish Repair to launch the Repair Assistant. Ensure your device is connected to Wi-Fi and has over 20% battery to complete the calibration process. After the reboot, the Repair Assistant will appear. Tap Continue, then select a Wi-Fi network on the next screen. The configuration phase will begin and may take several minutes. Once calibration is complete, tap Restart to finalize the repair process and resume using your iPhone. Afterward, return to the Parts and Service History section. Following successful calibration, you'll see either genuine or used displayed next to the part. If you're unable to finish the repair with a Repair Assistant, here are some tips that can solve this problem. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet using a stable Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that your device has more than 20% battery. Restart your device and try to follow the steps again to finish the repair. Make sure the replacement part is installed correctly. Reconnect the replaced module and try to follow the steps again. Replacement module from a third-party supplier. Not every third-party parts manufacturer can guarantee the successful completion of Repair Assistant. Although you can see the message that this part is not functioning as expected, you can continue using your iPhone. But your replacement module will have an unknown status in the Parts and Service History section. Replacement module protected by activation lock. If you reuse a replacement module from an iPhone that's protected by activation lock, which means this module is still linked to the previous owner's Apple account, you need to authenticate with the Apple account used with the previous device to finish the repair. When using Repair Assistant to finish the repair, you'll be asked to enter the email address or phone number and password that was used to set up the previous owner's iPhone paired with this module to unlock it. If you don't finish the Repair Assistant, you can continue using your iPhone, but the part might not perform as well as a calibrated part, and your replacement module will have an unknown status in the Parts and Service History section. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Visit our website for more tech insights and do-it-yourself guides. Remember, every tech challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Thank you for watching How-FixIT, and we'll see you next video.